Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the balance sheet on Yahoo Finance. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the stocks of the companies just like this. Now to see the balance sheet, simply tap on one of them just like this. Then scroll down and here you will find the option of financials right here. Now tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can find the option of view more. Simply select it. Then here you can find the income statement. Now right beside it, here you can find the balance sheet. Now select it. And finally, here you can see the balance sheet of the stock of the company. And that's it. This is how you can find the balance sheet on the Yahoo Finance app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.